$5 awesomeness thrift store special. Comes in the way of this little gadget. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Welcome back to Open Air Outdoors. Today we're indoors, and that is because, as the title of the video says, $5 awesomeness thrift store special. Comes in the way of this little gadget. This is a little gadget I came across while doing some thrift store shopping one day. A rainy day at home, bored, and I hit up all the thrift stores around town. And I found this little guy called, it's made by Hamilton Beach, and it's a little egg cooker. So today I'm going to recreate what I often cook when I'm out in the back country, and I'm going to do it indoors. Stay tuned. Let's get this done. Let's make lunch. So I have here a little egg cooker. There's no temperature setting at all. There's the cord. It's got 2 tiers. Non-stick surface. I've used it once already, so I have a little bit of knowledge on how to work this thing. There it is in all its red goodness. We're going to have flatbread. We're going to have a couple of slices of cheese, and I have with me 2 eggs packaged up. Anyways, you get the idea. And of course, everything is better with bacon. And today I'm also going to be trying a new seasoning, cheesy bacon and chive seasoning mix. Yeah, I think we're going to be doing all right here. Price tag is still on there. I haven't taken it off yet. Okay, first order of business. Let's plug this little guy in. So I have the red light. So it's warming up. Once the green light is on, it's hot enough to cook our egg. But what I like to do, or what I've done, is I like to warm up my So we'll remove this rack. It's already getting hot. And I throw my naan bread like that. While that's warming up, I'm going to get a few other things ready. Heats up quite quick. Oh yeah, that smells good. Oh yeah. 2 more. Ooh, that is hot. Okay, next step, we insert this little guy. First egg. Okay, let's break that egg. Throw some seasoning in there. flip the top down. Egg number 2. Break that yolk. Put the top down. So the bottom egg cooks from the bottom up. The egg on top cooks from the top down. Now it's a waiting game. We just simply sit and wait and keep an eye on it. And once it's done, we're going to pull it off and make our little sandwiches. Alright, I already took a little peek at it. We're almost ready. I'm going to take the camera and show you. We're going to open it up. And I think we're pretty much ready to plate our food. Alright, you ready for this? Yeah. We'll give it another minute. We'll unplug it, bring our plate closer. Oh yeah, there's some steamy goodness going on here. Now everything is really hot. It says everywhere hot surface. And I'm going to grab this little lever. I'm going to do one of these like that. That kind of will break the egg free from its cooking surface. Like so. Gotta remember, I'm still learning how to use this thing. Let's have another look here with the seasoning. There we go. Put our cheese on top. While it's still hot, let the cheese get a little bit melty. And now we have the other one. Let's get a little spatula here. Oh yeah. Just like so. Let's not forget our bacon. Everything's better with bacon. $5 thrift store awesomeness. I can't beat this. Few more tries with that machine, I'll have the hang on how to manipulate those hot surfaces. But overall, money well spent. Alright everybody, just a fun little short video here today. I hope you enjoyed it. As usual, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for the likes. Stay safe out there. Catch you on the next one.